Welcome to this presentation on Sigachi Industries. Sigachi Industries is one of the three IPOs opening on 1st November and it is smallest of the lot. Sigachi Industries IPO is entirely a fresh issue of equity shares aggregating to about rupees 125 crore. The price band at the upper end is rupees 163 and one has to apply for minimum 90 shares. Face value of the shares is rupees 10. Retail quota is 35%, but being a very small issue, the applications needed for one-time subscription of the retail quota is just 0.3 lakh. The issue is likely to be subscribed heavily. Sigachi is a manufacturer, exporter and supplier of microcrystalline cellulose, filter rate cellulose, etc. The company manufactures high-quality cellulose-based excipients, which are predominantly used in the pharma industry and also as supplements in food and beverages industry. Sigachi Industries is one of the leading manufacturers of MCC in India. It manufactures total 59 different grades of MCC at its units which are located at Hyderabad and 2 units which are located in Gujarat. Cellulose is a fibrous carbohydrate found in all plants, or we can say plant pulp. Cellulose is a linear polymer of glucose. Microcrystalline cellulose is a pure partially depolymerized cellulose obtained as a pulp from fibrous plant. MCC is widely used as excipient in pharma industry. Excipients are inert pharmaceutical ingredients which are used in product formulations to provide stability, binding, shape, or as a filler. MCC is also used as fat replacer, stabilizer, and anti-cracking agent in food and beverage. Various uses of MCC. Microcrystalline cellulose MCC is a valuable additive in pharmaceutical, food, cosmetic, and many other industries. The demand scenario for MCC is quite good. Pharmaceutical industry is a major user of MCC and accounts for 35 to 40% share of the total MCC global market. This is followed by food and beverages with a share of 20 to 25%, cosmetics and personal care with share of 15 to 20%. Global microcrystalline cellulose market is forecasted to reach $1,400 billion by 2025 with a CAGR of 7.25% and has big names like DuPont as the manufacturers of MCC. MCC market in India is estimated to reach $93 million by 2025, thus registering a CAGR of 13.8%. The company exports its product to several countries shown in yellow color. Sigachi Industries has presence in more than 40 countries. Exports as a percentage of sales has been steadily growing for the company, and for FY21 it stood at 72 to 73% of the total revenue and is up from 55% level in FY18. If we look at financials of the company, there is consistent improvement in operating revenues, profits, and the company is issuing the shares at a reasonable PE of 16.54, which we have taken on the fully diluted capital after the IPO. The market cap of the company will be about 500 crores after the IPO, and the market cap to sales ratio is reasonable at 2.6. Company has entered into operations and management agreement with Gujarat Alkalis and Chemicals Limited for operating and managing the manufacturing units owned by GACL for contract manufacturing of sodium chlorate, stable bleaching powder, and polyaluminum chloride in these units. The funds raised by Sigati Industries in this IPO will be largely utilized for expanding its MCC capacity. Apart from this, the IPO proceeds of rupees 33 crores will go towards setting up a new brownfield facility at Kurnool to manufacture cross-caramelose sodium (CCS), which also has use in pharma products. Some concerns. Commercial success is largely dependent on companies' ability to develop and devise uh, proper and innovative grades of cellulose-based excipients. Company is highly dependent on major raw material, wood pulp, and has only a few suppliers, and most of it is imported from countries like Thailand, USA, Canada, etc. Due to the IPO, there will be a significant rise in share capital of the company. Some of its ratio like ROE, etc. will go down. The receivables of the company have been increasing and comprise more than 25% of the assets. Sigati Industries had an anchor issue and it issued shares to two anchor investors, Three Sigma Global Fund and Nexus Global Opportunities Fund. Sigati is a large integrated producer of MCC and has long-term relations with global pharma giants, FMCG companies, and there is good visibility on the revenue and profit front on account of this. The upcoming expansion will further aid revenues and profitability of the company. Sigati has an in-house R&D division equipped with necessary facilities to develop new molecules and processes. Sigati Industries has been profit making and has been consistently making profit in all the three previous years. In FY21, Sigati Industries reported net profit of 30 crore on revenue of 144 crore. The performance for Q1 FY22 is on track and reported profit is rupees 9 crore in June 21 quarter. Company has been paying dividend consistently at the rate of 10% for last three fiscals. Sigati Industries IPO is valued at PE of 16.6x on the post-issue equity share capital, and this is based on FY21 earnings. The earnings in this quarter are slightly better, and the PE, if we analyze, will further go down slightly. Thus, the company appears to have priced the IPO at a reasonable valuation, which is not a common thing these days. Sigati Industries is commanding more than rupees 120 premium in the grey market. The listing of the share will be in T group due to its size, which may curtail price moves in the initial stage. I intend to apply in Sigati Industries IPO, though allotment is likely to be quite tough. Thank you.